Initiating Red Player connection. You're almost in the network, but you're not fully connected yet. Right now, you are stuck in a box of code. Don't get too lonely. You'll be joining your teammates soon, whether you want to or not. You should see an Escape to Flash logo in front of you that is locking you in the code box. If it's not in front of you, double press the power button to realign your vision. Adjust the focus wheel until the image looks sharp. Look at the logo and tap your touchpad to connect. Red player connected to the network. All players connected to the network. I knew you'd make it here, eventually. Look around a bit, get adjusted. The leap into virtual reality can be a bit jarring, especially for fragile humans. Look to your left and right to notice your teammates. Look down, you can see your new virtual body matches your player color. Move around a bit and watch your body follow. As I said earlier, we need your team to use NetApp products to escape these inefficient disk-based data center environments. Since you are new optimizers and biological brains are so painfully slow, let me show you how it's done. This is a private cloud data center environment with a focus on development. Down in front of you, on the display, you'll see the current functionalities of this data center environment. The red lines are our target goals for each one. Applications and database, pretty close to our goal line. Scalability, we'll need a lot more for this one. Cloud, we'll need to do more here as well. Cost of ownership, much too high. Those disks sure are inefficient. We need a lot more simplification. And a lot less latency. If you look at these disks, you can see the cost of ownership is immense. On the other hand, NetApp's EF series is a field-proven system designed for low-latency transactional applications. We can see that it adds database, scalability, and cloud at a fraction of the cost. All-Flash FAS delivers built-in flash to disk to cloud, data protection, and seamless data movement. It adds a lot of cloud, but we don't need a lot for this data center environment. Delivering self-healing architectures. SolidFire combines cloud-like infrastructure for flexibility with the performance of All-Flash. This is the remove action. You'll use it to remove a disk or product currently being used. Let me help you optimize this first data center environment. This is a private cloud data center environment with a focus on development. First, I'm going to select it using my touchpad. Then place it where this disk is, which will remove the disk at the same time. As you can see on your display, our functionalities have changed and we're closer to our goals. Cost of ownership is still too high though. Let's optimize by removing that outdated disk. Select the remove action. Then select the disk you wish to remove. Excellent, we've reached our target goals. If the timer runs out before you finish, you will receive 0 points and be moved to the next level. I'll go find a data center environment for you to optimize now. Don't get discouraged if you can't figure it out right away. I'll be watching my scanners to assist with some helpful hints along the way. We suggest choosing a team captain to facilitate conversation. Data Center 2 and 3 become increasingly difficult, and it's a good idea to have someone leading actions. This data center environment is a large, mission-critical production database. Low latency is the primary objective here. Turn to the left of the database to see this description at any time. Collaborate with your teammates to begin optimizing. Maybe you should start by removing some of those obsolete disks. As they say, out with the old. You can see the list of my hints to the right of the database. Data center optimized. Great work to improve this production data center environment speed while lowering cost of ownership. The EF series is the best solution, and no other NetApp products are needed. I'll get the next data center environment. But first, as NetApp optimizers, we need to test your knowledge. Which product is SPC2 Price Performance Leader, SPC1 Lowest Response Time Leader, EF Series 560 is correct. Great job retrieving the next data center environment. This data center environment's architect is tasked with modernization while preserving hardware compatibility. It demands low latency performance for existing applications and scalability for future growth. Optimize the data center environment. Remember, communication is key. Hey Captain, now's your time to shine. Excellent. With all flash FAS in place, future growth is guaranteed through flash-based scalability. Retrieving the next trivia question. Which storage systems provide unified data management across flash, disk, and cloud? Remember, you all have to choose the same response. All flash FAS is correct. Great job retrieving the final data center environment. This data center environment is a private cloud with a focus on integrating existing enterprise applications. The architect has put priority on the simplification of deployment and maintenance. Collaborate to find the optimal combination of NetApp products. It will help with efficiency if you remove the disk drives first. Data center environment optimized. Great work. Optimizing our cloud demands a high-quality virtual workflow. All flash FAS is the obvious choice for that functionality. Simplifying future deployment and maintenance calls for an integrated system that can work in tandem with the all-flash FAS. With its automated management and hybrid-style performance, SolidFire is an excellent solution. I'll get the final two questions. Which product offers guaranteed performance, granular scale-out, and automated management? You still must all choose the same answer to submit. Excellent. SolidFire is correct, returning with the final question. Returning with the final question. In the next 12 months, is the implementation of new or more flash storage a priority for your organization? Choose one response as a team. Thank you for your response. Congratulations, you've escaped to Flash by replacing those obsolete disk-based solutions with NetApp Flash Storage.